In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit tasks in Asana. If you manage multiple tasks at once, bulk editing will save you a ton of clicks and keep your projects organized in just a few seconds. I'll walk you through how to select tasks efficiently and then apply changes to all of them at the same time using the built-in multi-select toolbar. Start by opening the project or view where your tasks live. To select a continuous range, click the first task, then hold Shift and click the last task in the group. Everything in between will be highlighted, which is perfect when you want to grab a whole block of related tasks at once. If your tasks aren't next to each other, use individual selection instead. Hold Command on a Mac or Control on Windows, then click each specific task you want to include. You can mix these methods too. Select a range with Shift, and then add or remove single tasks with Command or Control to fine-tune your selection. Once you've selected your tasks, look to the bottom of the screen. A black toolbar will appear, confirming that multi-select mode is active. If you don't see it, make sure you have at least one task selected. This toolbar is where you'll apply your bulk updates, and it's designed to be quick and clear. From here, choose the action you want. To assign all selected tasks to the same person, click the Assign icon and pick the owner. This is great for redistributing workload or taking ownership of a batch of tasks, like assigning all laboratory tasks to yourself. To give them all the same deadline, click the due date icon and select the date. This ensures everything you selected is aligned to the same delivery target, which is especially helpful before a milestone or sprint review. To move tasks to a different home, use the option to edit projects or sections. You can move them into another project entirely or shift them between sections, like moving items from in progress to review, so your workflow stays accurate and up to date. As you make changes, watch for the small confirmation indicators, so you know the updates applied to all selected tasks. If you change your mind, simply click anywhere outside the tasks or press Escape to clear the selection. With a bit of practice, you'll find bulk editing is the fastest way to keep Asana tidy, consistent, and ready for what's next.